In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off simplified debts in Splitwise. Simplified debts is a feature in Splitwise that automatically rearranges who owes whom, so there are fewer total payments between group members. It can be really handy, but sometimes you might want to see the direct original debts instead. For example, if you prefer that each person pays back exactly the person who covered a bill, turning this feature off will make things much clearer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through how to disable simplified debts for a specific group. First, open Splitwise in your browser or app and make sure you're logged in. From your main dashboard, look for the list of your groups. These might be things like roommates, trip to Spain, or family expenses. Click on the group where you want to turn off simplified debts. This will take you to that group's main page, where you can see all the expenses and balances. Next, look towards the upper right side of the group page for a small gear icon or a settings option. This gear icon is what you'll use to access the group's settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon or the settings label. This will open a small menu related to that specific group. In the menu that appears, find and click on Edit Group Settings. This is where you can change how the group behaves, including its name, default currency, and advanced options like simplified debts. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated settings page for the group. Once you're on the group settings page, look for a section called Advanced Settings. It's usually a link or text that says Advanced Settings, followed by an arrow or similar symbol. Click on Advanced Settings to expand or open that section. This is where Splitwise keeps some of the more detailed configuration options. Inside the advanced settings, look for the option related to simplified debts or simplified debts. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If simplified debts are currently turned on, that toggle will be active. To turn it off, simply click the toggle so it switches to the off position. Once you do this, Splitwise will stop simplifying the debts for this group, and you'll see more direct who owes who balances. After toggling it off, check that your changes are saved. Some versions save automatically, while others may show a Save Easily or the Done button at the bottom of the page. Make sure everything is saved before you navigate away. And that's it. You've successfully turned off simplified debts for that group in Splitwise.